The Supreme Court resumed its hearing on the AGR dues case from telecom companies today. The court had adjourned the hearing on Friday until today, seeking the spectrum sharing details of telecom companies under insolvency. Let's do a three-point analysis of the Apex Court's observations today. 1. Jio's stance on RCom's AGR dues. Well, on August 14th, the Supreme Court had asked the government, Reliance Jio and RCom's resolution professional to put together all the documents to determine who will bear RCom's AGR dues. Now, Reliance Jio told the court today that there is no legal basis for transferring bankrupt Reliance Communications dues, adjusted gross revenues or otherwise as to Jio, as the two telecom operators in a spectrum sharing agreement do not share any liabilities. Now, Jio also said that it would not have entered into an agreement or a spectrum sharing agreement with Reliance Communications had the guidelines clearly stated liability for the company using the airwaves of the one holding it. 2. Can spectrum be sold under the IBC? Well, the Supreme Court had also asked the DoT to explain whether spectrum can be sold under the IBC. Now, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta today also told the Supreme Court that the views of DoT differ from the views of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs or the MCA on the sale of spectrum under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code or the IBC as we call it. Now, he also said that the people of the country are the true owners of the spectrum held by the government in trust, and that is why it cannot be sold under the IBC. He also said that the use of spectrum is allowed to telecom companies under a contract and ownership does not get transferred. Now, spectrum is not defined as an asset under the IBC is what he said. Now, government continues to hold the spectrum in trust is what he clarified. Now, Resolution Professional of Reliance Communications, on the other hand, shared its view that spectrum is an asset in the hands of the company and can be bought and sold under the IBC. 3. What were the Supreme Court's observations then? Well, the Supreme Court really observed that Reliance Jio is earning revenue by sharing Reliance Communications spectrum. Now, it also asked, can Jio be held liable when they are generating revenues from shared spectrum? Supreme Court now has seek the government's position on Jio sharing RCom spectrum and on Jio discharging RCom spectrum dues as to whether Jio should pay RCom's dues. To which Solicitor General has said that the government's official position is that any decision that the Supreme Court takes to help in the recovery of the AGR dues or the adjusted gross revenue dues will be supported by the government. Further, the hearing in the matter has now been adjourned to August 19th.